Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel on makeup tutorials and beauty related content. So today's video is a makeup tutorial on this pretty glam look using Swiss Beauty products. Mostly all products from Swiss Beauty. I unfortunately don't have them all, but like 90% of the products that I've used are from Swiss Beauty. And this eye look that you're seeing right now is created from their ultimate palette-Look2. Okay, so first I'm taking this brown orange shade and I'm using it as my transition. Honestly, I just wanted to use it in the crease, but you can see my brush is really fluffy, so it kind of put it all over the place, but it made no difference, seriously. And I'm just putting it all over my lid. Then I'm taking this pink shade, shimmery shade, and again I am buffing it. I am blending it on top of my transition with the same blending brush because I just have one, okay? I don't have a proper shader brush. The one that I have is like really hard to get the pigment on my lids, so I'm using it and it did a really good job. And also I am trying to blend this color only like over half of my lids. Okay, next I'm going back with the orange brown shade, that is my transition, and I'm kind of blending it out in the crease, the shimmer shade and the transition. No brainer. I just love this brush, and if you want to see the full review you can always find it in the description. Anyway, I am cutting a baby crease because I wanted to place a lighter shimmer shade there in the corners, and to make it more stand out I had to apply some concealer. So now you can see I'm applying this shade and applying it on top of the concealer. I'm blabbering today, I'm blabbering a lot today. Next I'm taking this brown, deep brown shade to just give some depth in the outer corners, and it looked really nice. You can see the full effect of all the shades perfectly blended out, like from the lightest shimmer shade to the eye-catching pink to the deep brown. It just makes sense. Next I'm using this shade, hopefully. Yes, I am using it to just apply it as a blush because this is mostly Swiss Beauty products and I don't have a separate blush product from Swiss Beauty. Next I'm using this shade, hopefully. Honestly, this video was shot long ago and I don't remember it actually, but no, I'm pretty positive that I used this shade because you can see it's quite dark. Yes, I did use that. Next I'm using this pink shade again just to highlight my tear ducts and the inner waterline. No, the inner lower lash line. Then I'm using this eyeliner from Lakme Insta Eyeliner. Anyway, next I'm using this highlight from Swiss Beauty Brick Highlight, and I will mention its shade in the description. Then I missed the whole video of putting lipstick using Swiss Beauty Pure Matte Lipstick in Burgundy. I have also used it in my last video, so you can see that. Then you will realize I'm wearing the same lipstick. Okay, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't miss to click the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video you get notified. Also, let me know, would you like to see more looks from this palette, or if you have any other video requests, please let me know in the comments. I'll see you next Thursday. Until then, take care. Bye.